How to unread a message on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can unread a message on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to basically go ahead and then unread a message on Instagram, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch Instagram. Now normally if you go to the DMs page and then you long press on a certain person, you don't find the option called to mark as unread. But what if you want to unread that messages? Well, to do is very simple. Come to your profile page, tap the three lines option, go to settings, go to account, and then just switch to professional account. After you switch to professional account, you can just select any random thing here, tap and continue. You can select both business or creator account depending upon what you like, it doesn't really matter. After that, our professional account has been set up. Now for once, just close the Instagram app completely and reopen them again. After you do that, now you can come to the DMs tab, and now if you long press on a certain chat, you'll find the option called mark as unread. So this option is still available, but it is only available for professional accounts. So make sure you switch to professional account and you will get this feature. This way you can unread a message on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.